So right here we have the metro station of the Cinco de Mayo, and you see, oh yeah, she's saying hello right there. Can I say something? Maybe I could do an video.
All I need is you, baby, baby.
Yeah. Cinco de Mayo. So guys, we are in Cinco de Mayo, and we're gonna show the real streets of Cinco de Mayo or Panama, okay? So let's do this, man. It's actually downtown. Hey, this girl is so cute, man. The girl over there. You can talk to her, you know. Oh, she went that way. Let's go.
What we got?
Hey, what's up, girl? You know, I saw you walk from there, and I was like, hey, I want to talk to her because she really looks like. I think people are buying tickets, right?
Oh, okay.
Yeah. I like places like this because they give you reality of life in those countries, you know. I wish I could talk to that guy. Yeah. So this is Cinco de Mayo. It's actually very different from the other Panama. And here life is real, reality on the ground, you know. Real streets. Be careful, because you see that guy over there? Yeah.
He's ready to run you over.
Yeah. Cinco de Mayo. You see the station right there? Estación Cinco de Mayo.
Now we're in downtown Panama. Hey, what's this place called again?
Cinco de Mayo.
And this is supposed to be one of the worst parts of Panama.
Yeah.
You can tell, crowded.
Yeah. Cinco de Mayo.
Down here you gotta catch the metro. And it's different. It's a vibe down here.
So right here we have the metro station of the Cinco de Mayo, and you see, oh yeah, she's saying hello right there. Can I say something? Maybe I could do an video. It's a popular YouTube channel. What's your name?
Juliet.
Juliet. Hey, say hello. Let me introduce you to other friends. Say hello. Your name is?
My name is Ricardo.
Ricardo. Yeah.
Nathan.
Name is?
Nathan.
Nathan. Okay. And right here your name is?
Juliet.
Sorry?
Juliet.
Juliet, yeah, your eyes are glowing, you know?
Their eye contact.
Oh, you know her eyes are like really glowing. Hey, your name is? Sorry. Violin. Okay. Hey, tell people about Panama. What you do in Panama?
Panama is very fun. Like it's a very live country.
Yeah.
You never get bored here.
Oh, like for
Never.
real?
Yeah.
So you from Panama or you
I'm
from?
from Panama.
You from Panama? All of you from Panama?
Yes.
Oh, wow, wow. What is like maybe an advice you can give a tourist coming to Panama for the first time, primera vez?
First time,
Yeah.
have fun. Don't be scared of people. We don't bite.
Okay.
We don't bite.
Uh-huh.
Yeah.
Is it customary? Is it like normal to go to people and say hello to them?
Maybe we like new people. We like new culture. We like to see new stuff in our
Okay.
country. Yeah.
Oh wow. Okay, you're gonna say bye to my camera. Let's start from here. Bye and bye. Yeah, bye. As I walk these beautiful streets of Panama, man, ensure you smash that like button and always remember this city is very, very, very classy, and that means it's super expensive. So this is Panama, $30 food. This place is expensive, no joke, my friend. From housing to food to everything. Especially if you're staying, especially if you're staying in the city, it's gonna be expensive. Yeah. But you know, with time, when you live in a place, you get to know which is like the cheap place. So, yeah. As long as you land in the city, it's gonna be this expensive. Thank you, guys. Ensure subscribe to my YouTube channel if you haven't, and also ensure. So I found a place for $5. They give you all this soup, and we have beans, rice, plantain. This is pollo, chicken, and right there we have the juice. That's mango juice. So this is the cheapest place I could find in Panama, and I had to take 2 buses to get It feels like America, I'm telling you. I mean United States, you know. It feels like this is Hilton. You see, this is Hilton. And up, you see, that's Hilton. So it feels like America. People here look so professional. Streets are empty. Look. You see? Even right here, you see what that is? Hilton Inn. Yeah, that's Hilton right there. Tall buildings. Yeah. But I should say, like, right now it's not hot. When I was last here, it was around January, February. It was really hot. Super, super hot. Now it feels more of calm. It's calm. Yeah, it's calm. So I'm trying to go to a place where I used to stay and see if I can still get the guy, because when I left Panama, I left with his keys, you know. So I just wanna go see if that guy still makes. Oh, I mean, he still has the same business, but actually, I forgot even his name, man. Yeah, I forgot his name. Maybe I'll try to go and ask. I hate when I'm going to ask the name of somebody, so they may be asking, why are you asking this? You know, some people are like, Panama. Feels like American, man. Feels like America. Big cars, you know, organized parking, nobody in the streets. Maybe it's because it's Sunday. Classic cars, you know, you see very classic cars. BMWs, you see that? Panama. So actually right straight is where there is Via Argentina, and I was attacked there one time. Maybe when I go there I'll show you guys. There was a printing shop. I think it was called Panama Copias, something like that. So close to that place. Yeah, this is Panama, and it's your boy I am Mara reporting live from Panama. Very classy. I hate classy areas. I'm sorry. It's too good for me, you know. Not really for me, but I mean, it's really like so organized, so beautiful. Yeah, man. Damn. Panama. I think I'm so close to where I used to live. I'm so close to where I used to live. I lived here for 1 month. Huh? So I think a house like this could be cheap. That one. Yeah, I used to live here.
Well, listen, Buster, you better start to move your feet to the rockiness.
All I need is you, baby.